Hello students, welcome once again. Previously, we had completed a few pages of question answers and activities from the from the poem Teamwork. Now we'll continue it. Open page number 26 and also take out your notebooks. Now the first question is, in your family, what activities are done individually and as a group? There are a lot of activities that are done by only one person and are some that we do it as a family or in groups. So let's see what they are. Now, my mother decides what should be cooked for dinner. So what you eat in the morning for lunch, for breakfast, for lunch and also for dinner is something that mom decides in most of the family. The father decides how much money you can spend. So how much pocket money you should get. And what do you get to decide? You get to decide where we want to go for a vacation, or where your family wants to go for a vacation. Now, as a family all together, we decide the timings of each member to watch television. That is a very good idea. In that way, we don't have arguments or fights on who should see what program at what time. We already have a fixed time that from this time to this time it's your turn, after that it's mine. In a group, mime an activity, picnic, fair, mela, cricket match, which you enjoy. The rest of the class should guess the activity. This one we are not going to do because we are not in class. Let's write. In the puzzle, find the words given in the column. We are given a few words. Notice these words are formed by joining two words. It's not one word. One is done for you. Find some more words. Now, what are those words? Sometime. It's made from some and time. Everyone, every and one. Basketball, basket and ball. Nobody, no and body. Teamwork, team and work. Baton, bat and on. Baton. Now, one has been done for you. It's like a word puzzle over here. What do we have to find? We have to find the words that are written on the side from the puzzle. Like we have one word that's given sometime. So let's look for the other ones. Here they are. We have found everyone on top, basketball on the side. Some of the words are not given, but we are looking for them. We're looking for more words like teamwork, it's there. Standby is not there. So we have added that. Baton, handsome, that's a new one. Nobody, it's already there. Then we have Sunday. So we found three new words that are Sunday, handsome and standby. So Sunday is made from sun and day. Handsome is made from hand and some. Standby is made from stand and by. I hope it's very clear. Puzzles are very exciting and they freshen your mind and you can learn new spellings very easily by this method. Now next page, page number 27. Let's write a poem. I have a kite but need a friend to fly it with. So you have a kite that you need a friend to fly with it. So we are trying to rhyme it over here. I know a song but need someone to hear it. It's like it. I have a ball but need someone to catch it. So what can we do? I have a video game but need someone to play with. I have a bag of colors but need someone to paint with. I have a cycle but need someone to ride with. So it's like the person is very lonely and wants to do something or an activity with a friend or a family member or anyone else so they can enjoy it. Like flying a kite alone is not as exciting as flying it with your friend. Singing a song or listening to a song is not as good as listening it with your friends. Playing with a bat and ball, it's never fun when the ball goes away and no one catches it. Playing a video game alone makes you feel bored. Why? You need company. You need a competition to win. You have colors, but you don't want to paint alone. That is something not everyone faces. Some people like to work alone, and some prefer to have company. I have a cycle but need someone to ride with. So the person here feels lonely and they want someone to ride a cycle with them. Make groups of 10 and present one of the following activities. Now, there are different activities, like a skit is like a drama, a song, a dance, painting a chart for class, making paper bags from old newspaper. This is something that you can also do alone, like painting a chart or making paper bags from old newspaper. You cannot do a skit alone, mostly, unless it's solo. Say aloud. We sometimes use short forms for some words. Yes, we do. Like I am. It is I am, I've, I have. Now, when we shorten the words, they are known as contractions. And how do we shorten these words? By adding an apostrophe where the word has been shortened and joined. Like we have, we will, it's will. You have, you've. We are, we're. Cannot, can't. There is, theirs. They are, their. We have, we've. What have, what of. Now, what do we have to do? We are given a few words, we have to contract them. So how are we going to do that? Here we have it. Has not becomes hasn't. Have not becomes haven't. Do not becomes don't, and are not becomes aren't. Have you noticed here the not has become small? Where we have missed the O, that's where we keep the apostrophe. Now we are given contractions, we have to find the full forms. Weren't, were not, shill, she, will. Now here we have hidden wi, so the apostrophe is after she. Wasn't, was not, whose. Now we can use whose and who is. That's a two different thing. If it has an apostrophe, then it is who is. Otherwise it's whose. I hope I'm very clear and your doubts are also clear. If you have any doubts, you can see this video again. Let's summarize what we did today. First, we talked about our family, what activities we do alone and in a group. Then we were given a word puzzle in which we had to find a few words. We can also discover new words from it and write them down. Now these words were not just any words, they were words that they were like two words joined together to form a different meaning. After that we had to write a poem. We did some fun time like like we talked about, you making paper bags from newspapers or painting a chart. Then we came to know about contractions, the short forms of words. When we shorten them, we use an apostrophe. Then we had exercise of contracting words or writing full forms from contracted words. So that's all for today. You have to finish this work before 10 a.m. tomorrow and send it to me. That's all for today. Bye-bye.